Hi everyone, in this video I am going to tell you about introduction to operating system. So first of all, let us know that what is the meaning of operating system. So operating system, shortly called as OS, it is an important system software present inside a computer. So the main responsibility of this software is to manage computer hardware and allows user to interact with system easily. So communication between the user and machine becomes simple because the operating system acts as a bridge between them. So without an operating system, understanding and operating a computer would be very difficult. So these are some of the points. Operating system is also called as OS. It is a system software. It manages computer hardware and acts as a bridge between user and hardware, makes computer easy to use. Now let's see the examples of operating system. So different devices use different operating system. Most desktop and laptop computer runs on Windows, and Apple computers use Mac OS, while smartphone mainly works on Android or iOS. So Linux is also widely used, especially in programming and server environment. So every modern digital devices depends on an operating system to function properly. So the third point is basic structure of computer system, which includes user, application, program, operating system, computer hardware. So let's have a look on this diagram. So first of all, user. So user are the people who operate the computer system. Activities such as opening applications, type data or saving files are performed by the user. So direct communication with hardware is not required because the operating system handles the interaction. So next one is application program. So application programs are the software designed to complete specific tasks, which means, for example, which includes word processor for document creation, web browser for internet access, and spreadsheet for calculation, and text editor for writing content. So these programs depends on the operating system to run properly. So next point is functions of operating system. So several important tasks are performed by an operating system. Interaction between user and hardware is established through it. So allocation of resources such as CPU and memory is managed efficiently. Device handling, memory organizing, and system security are also controlled automatically to ensure smooth performance. So next one is types of operating system. Let's see one by one. Number one is batch operating system. So what do you mean by batch operating system? So in this type of operating system, similar jobs are collected together and executed in batches. And another one is time sharing system. So time sharing system allows us multiple users to use the computer system at the same time. So in distributed operating system, which connects multiple computers and makes them work as a single system. So resources and tasks are shared among different machines to improve performance and efficiency. So next one is network operating system. So network operating system manages computer connected through a network, such as sharing of files, printer, and other resources between system becomes possible using this operating system. So next one is real-time operating system. In real-time operating system, which provides immediate response to the input. Such systems are mainly used where quick decision making is required, such as medical equipment or traffic control systems. And the last one is goals of operating system. So what do you mean by convenience? One major goal is to make computer easy to use. So users should be able to perform tasks without understanding complex hardware operations. So the operating system simplifies the interaction between user and machine. Another important goal is efficient use of system resources. Proper management of CPU, memory, and devices ensure better speed and performance. So maximum output is achieved using available hardware resources. So that's all for today's video. I hope you understand this topic clearly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy learning videos. Also press the bell icon so you never miss out our upcoming videos. If you have any doubt, write them in the comment section. I will try to reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.